Hi, garden friend. Did you know the plants you put in the ground this January will sleep, creep, and then leap into the most spectacular show your garden may have ever seen? Today I'm sharing 5 perennials you can plant right now in Hardiness Zone 8B. And they're already blooming and looking gorgeous, and they'll only get better. So if you're ready, let's go, shall we? First up, we have hellebores, also known as the Lenten rose, and these are absolute jewels for January planting. And here's what makes them special. Hellebores are winter bloomers. While everything is dormant, these beauties are putting out gorgeous flowers right now in shades of white, pink, purple, and even near black. We're talking blooms from late winter through early spring. They're shade-loving plants, which makes them perfect for those tricky spots under trees or on the north side of your home where nothing else wants to grow. And here's my bonus. Hellebores are deer resistant. So if you've got browsing problems, hellebores are your answer. When you plant them in January, they establish roots during our cool season, and they are actually blooming as you put them in the ground. Even their sleep year, hellebores give you flowers. How cool is that? Once they're settled, they're incredibly low maintenance. And remember, the first year they sleep, building those roots. Second year they creep, filling out nicely. And the third year, they leap into a stunning clump that'll bloom reliably for decades. Yes, decades. Don't forget your hellebores or Lenten rose, also known as a winter jewel. And here's the coralberry, specifically the winter fiesta variety, and this evergreen ground cover is an absolute showstopper for year-round interest. Here's what makes this plant special. It's an evergreen ground cover with glossy dark green leaves that stay beautiful all summer long. But the real magic is happening right now. Those stunning pink to red berries that last for months through the fall and winter. We're talking about gorgeous winter color when almost everything else is dormant. The foliage is attractive, the berries are gorgeous, and it stays evergreen through our Zone 8B winters, giving your garden structure and color when you need it the most. January planting is ideal because coralberry establishes beautiful in cool weather. The berries are also attracted to the birds, so you're adding wildlife value to your garden as a bonus. Coralberry. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know the exact soil amendments that I use to get perennials off to a strong start, I've got everything linked down in the description. Number 3 is pansies and violas. And yes, these are perennials in Zone 8B. They're blooming right now. And they're absolute color powerhouses for winter and spring. Here's why I love them. While most people think of pansies as annuals, in our mild Zone 8B winters, they act like perennials, and they're covered in flowers during January. We're talking every color imaginable: purple, yellow, orange, white, and gorgeous bicolors. Now, violas are the smaller flowered cousins with the same toughness and even more prolific blooming. And they keep blooming through winter and spring, giving you months of non-stop color during a time when most gardens look bare. Number 4 is ornamental kale and cabbage, and this is when these plants are at their absolute peak. Cold weather brings out their most vibrant colors, and here's what makes them spectacular right now. They're perfect as focal points in containers, as edging in beds, or massed together for dramatic impact. Just let them do their thing and enjoy the show. Ornamental kale. And here is my beautiful Dusty Miller, and this silvery beauty is looking absolutely stunning right now with that gorgeous frosted foliage. And here's what makes Dusty Miller so special. It's an evergreen perennial with the most incredible silvery white, almost luminous foliage. And it looks fantastic 12 months out of the year. But in the winter, it really shines. That silver color creates the most amazing contrast against evergreens, winter berries, and darker foliage. It's like having living garden jewelry. The texture is soft and felty, and the color never fades. And it provides that architectural interest that makes everything around it look better. Before we get to the bonus tips, if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe. It helps my channel to grow. Now I have 5 bonus tips for January perennial planting success. Tip number 1 is soil preparation is everything. Turn your soil, add compost or aged manure, and make sure your drainage is good. Tip number 2 is water wisely. Even though January can be rainy, check your plants weekly. The first year sleep phase requires constant moisture for the best root development. Tip 3, mulch matters. After planting, add 2 to 3 inches of mulch around your perennials. This regulates soil temperature and it retains moisture. Also suppresses weeds. Just keep it away from the crown of the plant to prevent rot. Tip number 4, be patient with the process. Remember, sleep, creep, and leap. Don't be disappointed if your perennials look small or sparse the first year. They're doing the important underground work. Trust the process, and year by year, you'll be amazed. Tip number 5, mix textures and colors. These 5 plants work beautifully together because they offer different colors, textures, and heights. I hope you try these perennials this winter. The hellebores, the winterberries, and coral berries. They're beautiful. I hope this has inspired you today. I hope you're having a great gardening day, and I'll catch you in the next one.